Hey, welcome back. How's everybody doing? Just a quick prep video here. What we have here is a boneless pork loin roast. See there, it's about $2 a pound, and we're doing about a 4.5 pound roast here. And looking in the seasoning supply, we're gonna spice up with this. I basically slathered some olive oil on it just to help the spice rub stick, and put it on all the surfaces, on the sides, top and bottom. We've preheated the oven. It's still on a warm-up cycle. I've got it pretty high up right now on 400. I want to actually get a sear on the fat layer, and then I'm gonna cover it, lower the heat, and then slow cook it for a little bit. And I'm probably going to chop some onion and line the tray with it too, so it'll help caramelize and mix the flavors with the drippings, etc. But I'll put that in during the slow roast cycle so they don't scorch too much during the initial sear process. But just a brief prep video, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.